Hello everyone, this is Adit back again with another video. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create polyfill of promise.all. Uh, I hope you are already aware of what exactly is the polyfills. In case you're not aware of the polyfills, then polyfills are just a piece of code which helps you to get modern support on older browsers. So here we are trying to create a polyfill of promise.all, and for example, suppose promise.all doesn't work on any of the browser, then in that case we'll try to implement our own promise.all, and let's see how we can do that. So first of all, let's create some tasks, okay, so that it will give you a better understanding what exactly is we are trying to create. So let's have tasks. We are going to have one function which expects time, so that we can create some more tasks, and then yeah, so this is the tasks, and we'll also try to create task list array, since the promise.all takes array of tasks in the format of like array of tasks. So first of all, let's try to use the javascript promise.all API that is provided by the JavaScript. So now I just need to pass task list, and then we are going to have response. I think I should stop my Copilot disable completion. Yeah, fine. And then we can just catch error. Cool. So over here, we're just going to log response and console.log error. So if we try to run this, let's see what exactly we are going to get. So we are getting this 1000, 2000, 3000. So that's what we have resolved it over here. So on resolve, we are just sending this time. So we are getting this. So now we have to create something similar which expects an array task list, and then try to give us the same result, right? So let's create one. I've just commented out for the reference, and later on we will compare the result of both of the functions, right? So const my so this is going to expect array of tasks, right? So, and now we need to like loop through each of the tasks, and then execute it, and whatever result we are going to get, we need to store it somewhere. And once the task all the task is complete, then we are going to resolve it, and then return that result, right? That's what exactly is happening inside the promise.all as well. So first of all, let's create one array result which we will like resolve it after completion. And now we can have one counter as well. This will help us to track how many tasks have been completed. And then let's have task list dot map, since we need to go through each of the tasks. Then we have this promise and index. Let's use for each instead. Like we can use map, but map returns some values and for each don't. So in our case, like for each will be a better choice, I guess. And then promise dot then, and whatever response we are going to get will result dot index response, and we are going to increase the counter as well. It should be let. Good. And so, and we need to wrap this inside a promise, since we are going to return the promise as well. So we're just going to have new promise, and we need this resolve to reject, and let's put this code inside it. Okay, and then we can have one catch. Where should I put the catch? Okay, let's put it over here. Error, and we are going to store the error as well, or what, we can just reject it. Okay, so now one thing that we need to care about is like when our this thing like all the task is completed. So to do that, we can just have task list dot length. So if the counter is equal to task list dot length, then we're just going to return result. Okay, and that's all we need to do. I think this should work. Let's give it a try. So my promise, let's pass task list and dot 10 response console dot log response. It's for success response. Okay, and then we have catch. Sorry. And we are going to log this error, and it's for the error. In our case, we might not get anything inside the error, since we are in our task, we are not even rejecting any of the errors. So that's why we'll always get the success response. Let's try to execute it. Oh, we forgot to like resolve it. So resolve and then pass it. So now if we try to execute it, we'll get all the results. So in case in the success, since we are resolving it, that's why we get all the results over here. And if we try to run our same this one, this will also give the same result. Yeah. So this is ours that we have created, and this is the one that JavaScript provides. So this is how you can create your own promise.all. Like this is the polyfill of promise.all. So this is it for this video. If you like the video, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.